Hey there, Jackie from Project Syllabus here. You've heard of PBL, but what is Learner Centered PBL? Well, if you're at all familiar with project-based learning, you know PBL has the potential to increase student engagement and can lead to deep learning. A well-designed course can enhance student motivation and interest, develop critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and problem-solving skills. It can improve academic performance and even reduce attrition in high school and college classrooms. Yet not all project-based learning is the same. The PBL you're probably most familiar with is teacher-centered. This approach starts with a teacher-driven project. Traditional PBL leans on the instructor to guide student learning. This approach takes a structured, more linear approach to problem solving and uses direct instruction. Learner-centered PBL, on the other hand, is, as the name suggests, learner-centered. This approach encourages students to take ownership and lead their own learning. It allows for student choice and agency, insists on student investment, teaches self-direction, and seeks to build autonomous learners. Students play a central role in choosing a direction for their project. Instructors challenge students to choose topics that effectively intersect student interests with course outcomes. Assignments direct students to tap into their life experiences, identify topics and problems that spark their curiosity, and ask questions. Learner-centered PBL requires learners to think critically about how their course outcomes can be used to address problems and meet needs in the larger community. In a learner-centered classroom, the teacher acts as a facilitator, guiding and supporting students in conducting research, investigating and understanding problems, and designing worthwhile projects. So which approach is right for you and your students? It's likely you'll incorporate both approaches, depending on your students and your objectives. A learner-centered classroom takes time, and students need to develop self-motivation and self-direction. By placing the learner at the center of the learning experience, teachers can create an environment that encourages curiosity, creativity, and love of learning, preparing students for success in and outside the classroom. Interested in learning about how to build a more learner-centered PBL course for your classroom? Visit Project Syllabus to download a free mini ebook, which will walk you through the process step by step.